You're still lingering like the old cologne that you wore. I still see your face in the empty frame by the door.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me. My name is Renata, and in today's video I'm sharing my first collab for the fall season. This one is with Rochelle of Rochelle Handmade Designs. She has a lovely YouTube channel as well as Instagram feed. I will leave a link to all her handles down in the description. Today we are sharing our collaboration, and it was interesting because I didn't really have an idea regarding what I wanted to make, but I reached out to her because this year was the year of collaborations for me, and I'm super excited that she said yes. While chatting with her a few weeks ago, we decided to work on a shacket. Shacket is not something that I am really comfortable wearing or styling. It's kind of out of my comfort zone, and I just decided, sure, why not? So we went through a few designs and we ended up deciding on making a Burda Style Pattern. I have this beautiful design from the December 2020 magazine. It is design 117, as you guys can see it back there, and we will get a closer view into 360, but let's just jump into the pattern basically, because the fabric, it is so old. It's about 3 or 4 years in my stash, and I can't remember all the details on it, but you guys, we see flannels and stripes pretty much everywhere this time of year, so you can just find something similar to work with. So please meet me in the next section and we'll talk about the design of this shacket. So this is the design 117. Here is the image of this jacket, and as you guys can see, it has a unique design. Maybe the best thing for me to do is just pull it up here and show you guys some of the detail on the dress form. 1 second. Here. So on this, as you guys can see, there is a sloping shoulder. Let's flip this over here. Let's just do it this way. Okay, so there is a really nice sloping shoulder on this design. It's relaxed, and there is a unique angle on the shoulder here. It comes in at an angle. It's just a unique detail, and you guys will see it better on the line art. There is a flap pocket on this. There is also a cuff. The cuff was really easy to put together, and overall the design was pretty simple. There is a lining, as you guys can see right here, so it's lined really nicely. I picked up some fleecy plush fabric from Joann's for this one to line it with, so it's really a luxurious feel as you slip in and out of this. And with the remainder of the fabric, I just created a little vest to wear inside, as you guys will see on the 360, which is coming up next. So pretty much I work with Burda pattern all the time, and I have learned to, I guess I've mastered reading their patterns and just following the instructions. So I don't have a lot of negative things to say. The instructions were, for me, pretty easy to follow. Everything came together nicely, and if you are familiar with Burda Style Patterns, you draft them out, because I have the magazine, and you put your seam allowances in. It does not come with seam allowances for the patterns in the magazine. However, the pattern that Rochelle works with was a one from the what am I trying to say? The pattern that Rochelle worked with is the one from the stores. So it is a packaged pattern, and that one does have seam allowances. So just something to remember when you're working with Burda Style, how they operate. Now, I have never downloaded any of the Burda Style PDFs, so I am not sure if those come with seam allowances, so that would be something to check if you are going to that website to download this pattern. But let me put this back on here and then continue with y'all. Okay, so as I was saying, it's a unique design here by the armpit area there, just because of that angle. I think it's super cute on the shoulder there. What can I say, guys? This is a really nice pattern. I worked really hard, and you guys will see in the 360 the lining of these stripes. I think they match really well. I was super shocked, but it took me a long time to lay the pattern out. I had to cut them out individually just to make sure everything lined up nicely. And it has been years since I've worked with a fabric like this, and I think it turned out really good. I love how it looks. I love how it feels. I thought the videos looked amazing. The photos were really cool. I felt like a cool girl. I even got some edgy boots. I love boots like this. I just don't wear them often because I just have this, like, I don't know, like, my personal style is so feminine and so pink and white and light and bright that I don't usually like style things this way, but I thought it turned out really well. I thought my location was pretty darn awesome, and everything came together really nicely. So like I said in the beginning, shackets aren't something that I ever thought I would wear. It's just not something that I thought was comfortable or my style, but I can definitely see it for the fall season as the weather changes, and even going out in a warmer climate at night when the temp drop. Something like this is really nice to have, and it's just so comfortable. It's oversized and it's kind of cozy, so perfect for the fall season. All right, guys, so that's pretty much all I have to share with you regarding this shacket. Don't forget to head over to Rochelle's channel because I believe she has a sew along for you all with her Burda style. This is the first time she has worked with Burda style, and she was a little nervous, but I told her just dive right in. It will work out well. So I'm looking forward to see what she has made. I saw a sneak peek and it is really nice, and all the details on that will be left down below, so you'll get the link to head over straight to her channel. Thank you guys so much. Let's go into the 360 and I'll meet you here in the end to close out.
Watch out, they said I won't see you coming. Blindside for sure, one blink now we're standing face to face. And I'm hesitant to open, you'll come our direction. I get in ahead of myself. You're smiling cause you know you got my attention. Now it's up to me. You're looking at me and I can't help stare. Right there, right there. I'm coming for you, so be patient, dear, just stay right there. You're looking at me and I can't help stare. Right there, right there. I'm coming for you, so be patient, dear, just stay right there. Close now, could I be falling for you? Jaws on the floor, you got that something I can't explain. And I'm hesitant to open, you'll come my direction. I get in ahead of myself. You're smiling cause you know you got my attention. Now it's up to me. You're looking at me and I can't help stare. Right there, right there. I'm coming for you, so be patient, dear, just stay right there.
Okay, so there you have it, guys. That was my 360. What do you think of it? What about the styling? How does your girl look? Like I said before, I thought it turned out so well. I love the colors. I felt like this was the ideal location for fall shots with a garment such as that back there. Totally loving it. So head over to Rochelle's channel, check out what she has to offer. I know she's got an amazing space and she will inspire you to get sewing. And hopefully, if you're coming from her channel, thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this content and consider subscribing to my channel. Until we meet again, my friends, have a wonderful day and I'll talk to y'all real soon. Bye.
Push you away and we're done just like that. Something about you is pulling me back.